You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the capital city of New Caledonia, or New Caledonia. Nouvelle-Calédonie is how the island is said in French. So, French pronunciation, French is the official language there. It's part of France. Noumea. Noumea. Now, in English, the pronunciation is similar. English pronunciation, Noumea. Noumea. Noumea, with a stress on the me syllable, on the may syllable. Noumea. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.